AI, a new digital frontier in Michigan's courtrooms. Imagine this: a video of your company's CEO announcing a disastrous recall appears online, causing your stock to plummet. The problem? Your CEO never said those words, and the video is a convincing fake created by artificial intelligence. This is no longer the stuff of science fiction. It is a potential reality that Michigan's legal system is now beginning to confront head-on. As of today, November 12, 2025, the intersection of AI and the law is creating urgent new questions for businesses across the state. The rules of evidence are adapting, and understanding these changes is a critical part of modern risk management for every company in the Great Lakes state. Let's walk through what you need to know, together. To navigate the legal implications of artificial intelligence, we must first start with a shared understanding of the key terms. At its core, artificial intelligence refers to computer systems designed to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. This can range from simple automation to more complex problem solving. A more recent and powerful subset is generative AI. It doesn't just analyze data, it creates new content, text, images, music, even code. Within this realm, deepfakes have gained attention for good reason. They are highly realistic but fabricated videos or audio, including face swaps and synthesized voices. Their misuse, misinformation, fraud, false evidence is a serious concern for the legal system. Distinguishing genuine from fake demands technical scrutiny. E-discovery is the process of identifying, collecting, and producing electronically stored information in litigation. Today, that includes prompts, outputs, and logs from AI systems. These concepts, generative AI, deepfakes, and e-discovery, are now intertwined, As AI-generated content becomes more common, Michigan's courts are developing standards for its use as evidence. While no single comprehensive law exists yet, trends are emerging from rulings, proposed rule changes, and statewide legal discussions. Expect greater transparency and a higher burden of proof. Courts focus on authentication. Integrity and origin must be proven. Parties must show a clear chain of custody from creation to courtroom. Disclosure is rising. Litigants may have to state whether and how generative AI was used. If AI summarized transcripts or drafted a key document, that could require disclosure. The duty to preserve extends to prompts, raw outputs, human edits, metadata, and system logs. Failure to preserve can lead to penalties. Courts increasingly rely on neutral technical experts. Be ready to defend your evidence and to scrutinize the other side's, First, a supplier produces a recording where your sales director seems to accept unfavorable terms. Your director denies it. A deepfake may be at play. In court, you must challenge authenticity. A forensic expert examines the file for AI manipulation. It's costly and time-consuming. Second, a terminated employee claims criticized reports were AI drafted using a company-approved tool. You must produce logs showing who accessed the tool, the prompts used, the raw outputs, and subsequent human edits. Without this trail, your position weakens. Third, AI-generated ad art draws a cease and desist for similarity to a copyrighted work. You'll need to work with the vendor on training data disclosure. Potential liability may follow. When AI-generated evidence enters court, it gets more scrutiny, not less. The question is authenticity and reliability. Is it what it claims to be? Who or what is the author, the prompter, the model, or the software owner? Courts look for the original prompt, the raw output, and a log of all human modifications. Metadata matters: creation date, author, size, and modification history. Strong systems also log model version, parameters, and the initiating user ID. Together, these form a digital fingerprint. Stripping metadata creates legal risk. First, can you document the tool used? Second, can you produce input and raw output? Third, do you have a human edit log? Fourth, can metadata corroborate the timeline and users? Navigating this terrain requires a proactive, two-pronged approach. Legal policies and technical infrastructure. Use AI responsibly, with foresight. Build a digital fire escape. You hope not to need it, but you'll be glad it's there. 1. Develop an AI usage policy defining acceptable tools and uses. 2. Mandate labeling of AI-created or modified content. 3. Train on preservation. Save finals, prompts, outputs, drafts. 4. Consult counsel to align with Michigan expectations. 1. Audit AI tools. List enterprise and shadow use. 2. Verify log retention and secure storage. 3. Implement chain of custody for prompts, outputs, edits. 4. Test for accuracy and bias. Document limitations. By taking these steps now, you build a robust and defensible AI process for your business. Visit tish.law to contact an experienced business lawyer at Tishkoff PLC and click subscribe to our YouTube channel.